Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Sixth class. How are you? Sixth class. You have the task of your day 25th. Write a story. Union is strength. यानी कि इत्फाक में बरकत है. Students, you can also write your own any story. It's okay. But here is a story which is I am reading. Once a farmer had 3 grown-up sons. They always quarreled among themselves. Their father advised them to live in peace, but it had no effect on them. He was worried about their future. One day, the farmer fell seriously ill. He sent for his sons. He asked them to collect a handful of sticks, which they did at once. He tied the sticks into a bundle. Now he asked them to break the bundle one by one. They tried hard to break it, but none could. At last, the farmer untied the bundle and asked each of them to break each stick. They did so quite easily. Their father said, "My dear sons, you could not break the sticks as long as they remained tied together, but you broke each single stick quite easily. They were strong into bundle, but became weak when separated from one another. Never forget that united we stand and divided we fall." This had a deep effect on the farmer's sons. They gave up quarreling and began to live in peace. Students, इत्फाक यानी कि आपस में मिलजुल कर रहना जो होता है ये इंसान को ताकत देता है. जब तक हम इकट्ठे होते हैं हमारे मुश्किल पर काबू पा सकते हैं, लेकिन जब हम आपस में लड़ाई झगड़ा करते हैं, एक दूसरे का साथ छोड़ देते हैं, तो फिर हम बिखर कर रह जाते हैं. स्टिक्स भी जब तक इकट्ठी थी उन्हें जो फार्मर है उसके बेटे नहीं तोड़ सके, लेकिन जब फार्मर ने उन स्टिक्स को खोल दिया और वो अकेली अकेली हो गई तो उन्होंने उसको आसानी से तोड़ लिया. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस बाय योर सेल्फ. आप एक स्केल लें, आप उसको बड़े आराम से ईजिली तोड़ सकेंगे. बट इफ़ यू टाइड 3, 4 और 5 स्केल्स with a rope or with a thread or with a binding tape,